I just sat down at this location and he asked me if I'm sitting here. I said I'm sitting here now. So it looks like he's going to wrap things up. We do not know. But Joe just told me that Thomas, I should be talking to Thomas, the little guy that just ran off of here. And then you got the gentleman here, gave me this information. The construction guys are not, they're okay guys. You know, they're just doing their job, but he gave me any of this. I told him that this is invalid because there is no signature here. So now I'm going to go ahead and sit down here and relax. This is good for my back. I'm going to pause this right now and I'm going to go ahead.